Hi everyone. Welcome back to the Pleasure Academy, where we talk about love, relationships, and everything that helps you build better connections. Today's topic is something we all might be curious about, but often don't discuss openly. Bade size ko soft intimacy ka nayar experience. There are so many myths, misconceptions, and unanswered questions surrounding size and its role in intimacy. So, let's dive deep into understanding how size influences intimacy, how to embrace it positively, and ways to create a fulfilling and safe experience for both partners. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful and educational content. Now let's get started. Part 1. Does size really matter? First things first, does size really matter? This question has sparked debates for ages. Let me clear this up for you with some science and facts. The myths around size. In popular culture, larger size is often glorified as a symbol of better intimacy. But does this hold up in real life? Not necessarily. Share survey data where respondents prioritize emotional connection, communication, and technique over size. Many people say what matters most is how you use what you have and how well you connect with your partner emotionally. What studies show? Discuss studies from reputable sources. A study published in reputable journal found that emotional intimacy and mutual trust play a much bigger role in satisfaction than physical attributes like size. Final takeaway. So, the verdict? While size might be one factor, it's far from the most important. What really matters is how you approach intimacy with care, understanding, and confidence. Part 2. Psychological impact of size on intimacy. Now let's talk about the psychological side of things. How does size affect confidence, self-image, and intimacy? The pressure of society. From movies to social media, there's so much pressure to meet unrealistic standards. This can lead to insecurities and even affect your confidence during intimate moments. Example, a lot of men worry about size, thinking it's directly linked to their desirability. On the other hand, some women may feel anxious about handling a larger size comfortably. The importance of communication. Open conversations with your partner about these concerns can create trust and ease anxiety. Remember, intimacy is a two-way street. Building confidence. Suggest practical tips for building confidence. 1. Positive affirmations and self-acceptance. 2. Focusing on what you can control. Technique, emotional connection, and foreplay. 3. Seeking professional help if body image issues persist. Conclusion. Confidence comes from understanding your strengths and focusing on the emotional connection you build with your partner. Part 3. Practical tips for intimacy with a larger size. Now let's get into the practical side. How can you create a safe, comfortable, and enjoyable experience when size is on the larger side? Preparation is key. When dealing with larger sizes, preparation is everything. It's not just about the moment. It's about setting the right foundation. Tips for preparation. Open and honest communication about preferences. Creating a relaxed environment to ease tension. Extended foreplay to help both partners feel comfortable and ready. Lubrication is your best friend. Lubrication is essential. It reduces discomfort and makes the experience smoother for both partners. Suggest types of lubricants: water-based, silicone-based, and organic options. Finding comfortable positions. Certain positions can make intimacy more comfortable and enjoyable when dealing with larger sizes. Share a few position ideas with clinical explanations of how they help. 1. Spooning. Minimizes depth and ensures control. 2. Cowgirl/reverse cowgirl. Allows the partner on top to control depth and pace. 3. Side by side. Promotes intimacy and communication. Listening to your partner. Pay attention to verbal and nonverbal cues. If something feels uncomfortable, stop and adjust. Intimacy should always be a positive experience. Tools and aids. Cushions, wedges, or even specially designed furniture can make certain positions more comfortable and enjoyable. The role of aftercare. After intimacy, Take some time to check in with each other. This strengthens your emotional bond and builds trust. Part 4. Building long-term intimacy and connection. At the end of the day, intimacy isn't just about size or performance. It's about the connection you build with your partner over time. Fostering emotional intimacy. Physical intimacy becomes even more fulfilling when paired with emotional closeness. Practical tips for strengthening emotional bonds. 1. Daily acts of kindness. 2. Active listening and meaningful conversations. 3. Spending quality time together outside the bedroom. Overcoming challenges together. Every relationship has challenges. What matters is how you approach them as a team. Emphasize the importance of teamwork in building a fulfilling, intimate life. Conclusion and call to action. Intimacy is a beautiful journey of exploration and connection. Whether size is a concern or curiosity, remember that every experience is unique and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Encourage viewers. Take the time to communicate with your partner, explore what works for both of you, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Closing CTA. Don't forget to subscribe to channel name for more educational content on relationships, intimacy, and personal growth. Hit that bell icon so you never miss out. And let us know in the comments, what topic would you like us to cover next? Your feedback inspires us to create meaningful content just for you. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us reach more amazing viewers like you. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss out on our latest content. We've got a lot more exciting and educational videos coming your way. Your support means the world to us, and it helps keep this channel growing and thriving.